Hey everyone! In this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to budget and forecast in Xero. Budgeting isn't about guessing numbers, it's about giving your business direction. Without a budget, you're reacting. With a budget, you're deciding. And forecasting takes it one step further. It helps you anticipate where you're going before you get there. Before jumping in, understand the difference. Budgeting equals setting planned income and expenses. Forecasting equals adjusting those plans based on expected changes. Start by logging into your Xero account. From the dashboard, click Reporting. Then select All Reports. Why this section matters. Reporting is where financial insights live. It includes profit and loss, balance sheet, cash flow, budget manager, custom financial reports. Once the reports page opens, scroll down and click Budget Manager. What Budget Manager does. This is where you create budgets, edit planned figures, apply formulas, compare actual versus planned performance. This is your financial planning workspace. Create a new budget. Inside Budget Manager, locate the drop-down under Select Budget. Click it and choose Add New Budget. Name your budget. Enter a clear, meaningful name. Then click Save. Why naming matters. You may create multiple budgets over time. Clear names help you compare scenarios, track revisions, avoid confusion. Enter budget amounts. Now you'll see rows representing accounts such as revenue, expenses, cost of goods, operating costs. Select a report line and begin entering the amount of money you want for each period, usually monthly. What you're doing here, you're assigning expected values to each account. Use the green arrow to apply a formula. This is one of the most powerful features. What the green arrow does, it lets you apply a rule instead of manually typing numbers for every month. This saves time and keeps budgets consistent. Available formula options. Fixed amount each month applies the same value across all months. Adjust by amount each month increases or decreases the value by a fixed number each month. Adjust by percentage each month applies a percentage change over time. Example, sales grow 10% monthly. Click Apply. What happens next? Xero automatically fills the budget across months based on your rule. You can still manually adjust individual values afterward if needed. What you just did, big picture, you created a structured budget, assigned financial expectations, used formulas to scale projections, built a forecasting model. This is your financial planning workspace. To summarize, budgeting and forecasting in Xero starts by logging into your account, navigating to reporting, and opening all reports. From there, selecting Budget Manager allows you to create and manage financial plans. By using the Select Budget dropdown and choosing Add New Budget, you can name and save a new budget. You then enter amounts for different accounts and use the green arrow tool to apply formulas such as fixed values, monthly increases by amount, or percentage-based growth. After applying the formula, Xero distributes the values across the selected period, creating a structured financial plan. This process helps businesses set expectations, track performance, and adjust forecasts over time based on actual financial results. And that's how to budget and forecast in Xero. If you're only recording money, you're always behind. Budgeting puts you ahead. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.